Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another episode here on Spad's Moto Vlogs. And today we're gonna be installing the integrated tail light for Yamaha MT-15. So if you're planning to do a DIY or planning to buy the integrated tail light, this is the best video for you. We are gonna run through everything, things that you need to install this, steps and how to install, and especially and most importantly, the wiring for your Yamaha MT-15. I know that it's very intimidating task to do wiring in the motorcycle, but don't worry, this one is plug and play. It's very easy to install. I'm gonna teach you the tips and the tricks on how to install it for easy plug and play installation. Okay, so let's go. Okay, so as you can see, I installed mine yesterday. So I've run through all the possibility and the difficulties of trying to install this, so I can teach you everything. Okay, so first thing that we need is we need a screwdriver, okay, and we need a 10mm socket, wrench. These are the two things we need. Okay, first thing that we need to do is we need to take off the seat. You can do that by doing it right here. Okay, here we go. I'm gonna put it on the side first. Okay, so we need to put in the key here because we're gonna test the terminal or on where we're gonna put the right and left of the tail light. Okay, so take your 10mm socket wrench and then remove this one. This is the locking mechanism for the seat right there. It locks in here. Okay, so we're gonna take this out in order for us to access this one. Okay, so let's just pretend that this is the stock one and we're gonna remove it. Okay, so okay, so once that's removed, just take it out. It's pretty easy. You can then clean this out because this area gets dirty more often. Okay, next thing that we need to take out is this one. 4 nuts. This is responsible for your tail right here, or your tail tidy, whatever you call it, for your plate holder. I have mine removed yesterday like that, so it's pretty big and heavy. So these are the nuts that's responsible on keeping that thing stick at the back. Okay, so we need to remove this one in order for us to take this out. This one right here, this is the one that's preventing us from getting to the tail light. Bring out your 10mm socket wrench again. Start twisting. Okay, take this out. Okay, so this is the most important thing, this one and then this one. Okay, now we have access to the 2 screws that holds the tail light in place. So get your screw, just unlock both and then replace it. Okay, so I already have mine took out yesterday. This is the old one. This time I'm gonna go ahead and explain to you the wiring for the tail light, which includes the park light, the brakes, and then the signal lights. The wires that you need to take note is this one right here. All you have to do is just follow where it came from. It connects to here. All of the lights are connected in this terminal right here. So let's pull it out. The stock tail light has this The integrated tail light has that as well. So all you have to do right here is just remove the stock, mark it as it is, and then just put the integrated one just in place of the old stock. So it goes right here. Yesterday I just pull it out, put it in, and then you're good to go. No other actions whatsoever. Pretty simple plug and play. Okay, so we are good with the brake light, park light scheme of the thing. So this is what is responsible for that. Now for the left right, let me show you. So it's okay, you can just peel this out. Okay, that's what I did yesterday. You have two that's looking like this. This is your left right signal light. On the stock signal light, these two right here, these are the stock signal lights. Maybe you're wondering what is this for. This is for the ground wire. Ground wire meaning the black wire on your signal lights, like this one. You can see black and red. What you need to keep in mind is black goes to black, and then the colored goes to the colored. So if you can see right here, the one that I took, there's a green and a brown. These are the wires responsible for delivering power to the light itself. Okay, and these two were connected to these sockets right here. So installation is pretty easy and plug and play as well. All you have to do is just take it out just like this and then put it back in. Okay, there's like a mechanism that clamps on this wire that goes in contact with the wire. Now one tip for you on this, most of the time the one that comes with the integrated light like this is very small. Usually it's contracted like that, and when you put it on the socket of the Yamaha MT-15, it's pretty much loose. So what you need to do is find a small this is the one I used. Okay, so what you need to do is just put it inside and then just yank it, make it more wider. Okay, just like that. Okay, then once that's done, all you have to do, just put it in. Okay, as you can feel, it's pretty much very tight when you put it inside. The one thing that you can test is that if you pull it like that, it doesn't come off. Same as the other one right there. Okay, yellow is left and the green is right. I'm not really sure if that's the same case for all of it, but you can test it out. You can swap which one is right, which one is left. So once everything is done, make sure that you test it out. So we're gonna turn on the motorcycle right there. Okay, as you can see, I've already played with this earlier, so that's why it looks like that. This one is RGB. It has many color schemes, so you can just choose one. Okay, so let's go ahead and press on the left. Okay, as you can see, going to the left. Let's do on the right. Okay, as you can see, it's going on the right. Let's do a hazard first. Okay, there we go. Now what I want you to know is that whenever you press the brake, the RGB color or the color scheme that you chose will be replaced by red whenever you press the brake button. So let me show you that to you. Okay, there we go. So if you press brake, it goes back to the stock red light. Okay, so once that's done, all you have to do is just put in everything. First thing is all the bolts for that, and then this one, and then the lock. Okay, that's pretty much for our installation of the integrated taillight for Yamaha MT-15. I think it applies to most, maybe all of the integrated taillights for the Yamaha MT-15. It has pretty much the same electrical schemes. So all you have to do is just look for those two left and right sockets for the Yamaha MT-15 and the main for your brake light and your park light. Okay, so if this is very useful for you, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and then follow my social media accounts. Hit the like and then comment down below on what you think. Okay, thank you, have a great day.